Welcome guys, so today I am with this wireless headset AKG Y500 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Windows PC. So with the first we have to grab this one and we have to find this power button and we have to turn it on like that. As you can see, when you make it, this indicator will light up on the white, but after a few moments it will change to the blue and it will start blinking. So just take a look. Yeah, just like that. Right now we can put back this headset. It means that the headset is in the pairing mode. Right now we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our device. We have to go for the Bluetooth and the devices on the left side, and then enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher right here, and next click to add a device and select Bluetooth. Now just wait until your headset appears on the list. Okay, there it is. So we have to scroll down. Oh, I just tap on the other device. So let's make it one more time. There it is. So we have to go for the AKG Y500. So click once, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. As you can see, that was very easy, and after that this blue indicator will stay on the blue color, it will stop blinking. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.